Samsung Galaxy 5G, awesome line 8GB, 256GB storage, 50MP no shake cam OIS, IP67, Gorilla Glass 5, voice focus, travel adapter to be purchased separately 50MP OIS, जोड़ 1-2MP जोड़ 5MP triple camera setup 50MP, f1.8 main camera with OIS जोड़ 1-2MP, f2.2 ultra wide camera जोड़ 5MP, f2.4 depth camera 3-2MP, f2.2 front camera 16.31 cm, 6.4 inch, FHD जोड़ Super AMOLED display, FHD जोड़ resolution with 1080 by 2340 pixels, 401 ppi with 16 colors, Android 13, v13.0 operating system with Exynos 1382.4 GHz, 2 GHz octa-core processor, 5G, has an IP67 certification and Gorilla Glass 5, front or back, for carefree usage, premium design experience with a metal camera, deco, privacy and security. Keep your data secure with Samsung Knox. Secure folder creates further protection with an encrypted space inside your device. You're taken care of from here. OS update or security, Mr. Your device is your partner. Ensured with 4 generations of OS updates and a 5-year security maintenance, your device experience with Galaxy 5G just gets better over time. Amplified and enriched sound enriched with Dolby Atmos. Galaxy 5G stereo speakers encompasses you with a full and rich audio experience. Built for the rough or tough, durability, get ready for the frontier. Galaxy 5G's IP67 water or dust resistance rating keeps you in the clear with durability for both shallow waters and dusty roads. Go for more than 2 days. The 5000 mAh battery of Galaxy 5G keeps you going for over 2 days. Hold on to your memory storage with 128GB, 250